Hey everybody, welcome back to the DRich Show. Today is April 13th, 2021. Happy Tuesday everybody. I hope everybody's doing well wherever you may be here in the planet. I just hope that you find yourself in good spirits, good health, good energy, and so far you're having a terrific Tuesday. Anyway, guys, we're going to get into the coin market cap, but before we do that, I just want to make sure that I give a huge shout out to my subscribers, those who are first time listeners. Thank you. I appreciate you. I meant to say it yesterday, so forgive me for not doing that. This totally uncharacteristic of me, so I ask that you please forgive me just for this one time and just for just this one day. Anyway, guys, looks like we got a lot of momentum heading into the market, and it looks like Bitcoin's dominance is at 54.1. Ethereum is at 12.1. Back up, but no worries, because we see some other movement in the market that we are greatly appreciating. Okay, we're getting a little impressed, but not too impressed, but impressive enough to show that we have hit the main stage and people better take notice. Because in the coin market cap, you got Bitcoin right now at $62,977. And again, that's up 5% over the last 24 hours. Still leading the pack. Okay, no big deal. No worries, no frets, no frowns coming this way. Because you know what? You got somebody on that 4 spot that's creeping and lurking. And anyway, it's at $2,287.36. You got Ethereum at number 2, up over the last 24 hours, a little bit over 7%. Binance Coin taking a little breather, $557, down over 4% in the last 24 hours. And guess what, guys? If you guys have been keeping an eye on XRP, XRP is now trading at $1.81, up 32.8% over the last 24 hours, 85% in the last week. And if you guys are early adopters, you guys are sitting pretty and lovely. And you know what? At the end of the day, I've expressed to you all different ways to dollar cost average when it comes to trying to accumulate XRP at this phase. But again, we are right on the heels of number 3. We will capture number 3 pretty soon. And I'm pretty sure within the next day or so, we'll achieve that goal. And pretty soon we'll be coming from the number 2 spot over there with Ethereum. Anyway, guys, I mean, tamper the excitement. I get it. We're excited. We're moving forward. We're moving upward and beyond. $1.80. I mean, here we go. You're cutting your $100 in half almost at this point, where you're only getting 50. So maybe you'll get maybe 60 at this point for $100. Anyway, Cardano is at $1.41, and as I said yesterday, I thought Cardano would go up if XRP had continued to make a move, and as such, Cardano followed not much, but some to say that it's up to $1.41, up 8%, 8.5% over the last 24. Polkadot number 7. $42.66, and Uniswap there at number 8, $35.27, and Litecoin is pushing forward, up 8.8% at $266.63. So guys, if you guys have been holding that early on, good deal. And then again, we got Stellar back into the top 10 at 66 cents, at up almost 15%, actually 14.8% over the last 24 hours, and overall pushing forward, pushing upward, just like XRP. When XRP moves, Stellar moves. And guess what? If you are coming at the portfolio, you got a double-edged sword. What do you want to deal with? You want to deal with Stellar, or you want to deal with XRP? You're going to have to deal with XRP a little bit later, and I'll settle in XLM or Stellar before I even consider doing anything with XRP. And that goes with all of my other digital assets and cryptocurrencies as well. I'll take profit from those before dealing with profits with XRP. Uh, Number 11, Chain Link. Sorry, buds. You guys have fell out the top 10. You still standing there strong, but at least you can say that you're a little bit close behind Stellar. But you know what? If you guys don't make a move here shortly, guys, you guys might get caught up with Bitcoin Cash and you'll drop a little bit lower to maybe 12 or 13 because Theta is going to get heated up too. And don't forget, Dogecoin is right on those hills too. So keep an eye on the market. Dogecoin's up huge over the last 24 hours, 24.6%, guys. So anyway, look at Tron, impressive as well. These things, the ones that I'm calling out, yes, I do hold those in the portfolio. And again, sometimes you got to copy and paste what people are being successful at. Copy and paste sometimes. It's not financial advice. Never going to be a financial advisor, but you know what? I want to go ahead and share some of the pros and cons of investing in cryptocurrency. And most definitely, I'm going to share with some bad things that have happened later on in the video as we get closer to some of the information that we'll be providing today. Anyway, guys, the Ripple execs follow the motion to dismiss the SEC lawsuit as case falls apart. This was April 13th, 2021 from Sharon and Stocks. I'm not sure if that's the accurate description to the article. But anyway, guys, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chairman Chris Larsen have filed motions requesting a California judge to dismiss the SEC lawsuit. And this comes after a two recorded yet another victory against the regulator after a judge granted their request to keep their financial records private. Ripple's top executives have filed a motion to dismiss in their legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Regulator. CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chairman Chris Larsen want a New York court to dismiss the case with prejudice as the watchdog fails to prove its accusations. The latest motion comes at a time when a federal judge has dismissed the SEC's bid to have Ripple executives submit their financial records. Larsen and Garlinghouse submitted separate motions to dismiss the Southern District of New York on April 12th, which was last week. And since that time, we've seen some price action. In this motion, Garlinghouse observes that the SEC has made two claims against him, both of which he refutes. The first is that he violated the securities laws through his sales of XRP and as this constituted an investment contract. In the second, the SEC accused him of aiding and abetting Ripple's own alleged security violations through unlawful XRP sales. So anyway, the SEC's case is really crumbling at this point, and if you've been following it, it's one for the ages because sometimes you gotta expose the bullies on the block by doing it the legal way. And sometimes when you do it the legal way, and you do it by law and order, sometimes and most times it always works out for you. And in this case, it's working out for Ripple team and as well as for us as the beneficiaries of having invested in the XRP token. And the SEC fails to allege that Mr. Garlinghouse's sales of XRP occurred in the U.S. Instead, it unsuccessfully tries to point to irrelevant facts in an attempt to sidestep the domesticity requirement the motion claims. And New York judge has ruled that the SEC has until May 14th to respond and file papers opposing the motions to dismiss. Larsen and Garlinghouse will then have until June 4th to respond to anything the SEC throws their way. So, guys, we're going to be wrapping this up rather quickly. We got 1 month, almost 1 month and 1 day before May 14th. So we'll be keeping an eye on that as we've been following this, throughout the course of its, the litigation process. But anyway, guys, XRP surges over 40% following another legal victory. We just discussed that XRP is now trading at $1.81. I believe it got all the way up to $1.89 earlier this morning. Again, some people are going to take profits and some people are going to, dump. Not dump as far as trying to bring down the market, but, some people might get off a large portion to stake their claim. And, we should be happy for them because our time is coming if your time hasn't already come. So anyway, court ruling favoring Ripple executive and slapping down the SEC catapults XRP, now the fourth most popular crypto, to its highest price in 3 years. Now, guys, I don't know if it's the most popular crypto because, you know what, XRP has been called a scam token, pump and dump, things like that. All the FUD that you could possibly hear about XRP. You know what, our day has come. Hopefully, the light will shine on those who have doubted ever investing in the token XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger created by Ripple Labs, surged again more than 40% over the weekend, rising from $1 to a high of $1.47 and its highest level in 3 years. XRP is trading at $1.35 at the time of this publishing, but we've also went over it being at $1.81. On Friday, U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Natburn rejected SEC demand for up to 8 years of personal financial information. Now, come on, guys. It's kind of like, at the end of the day, if this judge had granted that, then that would have opened up, more discovery. Then that would mean that they would have to get all of this information for themselves to say, well, let's look at your finances. Let's look at what you've been doing. Because no one ever audits the SEC. No one ever audits the Federal Reserve. This is why we have the continuous of printing of money. But, soon enough, we'll come to a point where that'll end and we'll get to where we need to be. So I'll leave this guys into the description because the next article I wanted to get to, because Ripple also announces a massive partnership deal with Wanchain. This is coming from CoinSpeaker, April 12th, 2021. And if you guys don't know about Wanchain, I'll get right into that here in a bit. According to veteran analyst Peter Brandt, XRP has formed an interesting head and shoulder pattern, which signals a bullish run. XRP has currently risen above the negative impact of the Ripple's lawsuit with the SEC and has shown a lot of resilience to recording trading price around $1.04. Today, another partnership deal on top of the previously finalized ones in the pipeline and may even have a good effect on its price movement. The new Ripple partnership is with Wanchain, a blockchain-based interoperability solution. The CEO of Wanchain, Jack Liu, in a statement mentioned that the deal will surely expand the use cases of the digital asset. The Ripple partnership with Wanchain will present enough options to XRP holders to choose to their XRP holdings for yield farming activities or liquidity mining. And interestingly enough, the deal involves the XRP users and can end up skyrocketing demand for the asset and cause the price to climb higher on the price curve. Liu, in a statement, called on the full participation of XRP holders to drive the DeFi into a new height. I'm happy that we are just days away from XRP officially joining Wanchain's family of decentralized, interoperable blockchain networks. Welcome to every XRP holder. Come and join us. Let's build this new DeFi world together, he said. And in addition to the benefits of the partnership to the XRP holders, it was stated that XRP users will have complete access to experience a taste of the digital decentralized finance application through Wanchain and other blockchains. Wanchain will have a native token called WAN, and as part of its intention to offset the known challenges in the DeFi sector, It will also ensure that the blockchains, private and public, are connected. All right, so I'll let you guys finish reading the rest of that because I wanted to go ahead and look at the price of Wanchain. And guys, as I told you in the beginning, I wanted to share with you mistakes that I've made when dealing with certain digital assets, cryptocurrencies. I've had a ton of Wanchain in my portfolio early on. Okay, I believe when it was lower, like 10 cents or something like that, and I was accumulating it. And guess what? I got rid of it. But now it's trading at $2.40. So, guys, again, you never know what might come down the pipeline as far as different type of cryptocurrencies, partnerships, interoperability, what connections and things like that. Because at the end of the day, you want to always hold your position and see what happens. So, like, I'll go ahead and read briefly what is Wanchain. I'll get into it. Wanchain is a distributed ledger that that allows for cross-chain transactions and the interoperability of multiple chains. Although Wanchain facilitates transactions between blockchains, it also is a standalone blockchain that runs autonomously. I'm messing up. My language on that one is butchered. Okay. The protocol acts as a distributed ledger that processes and maintains records of cross-chain transactions. Transactions on Wanchain do not occur between different public blockchains, but between private chains as well. As in the Ethereum fork, Wanchain enjoys some of the properties of the Ethereum blockchain. The protocol securely and autonomously processes applications via smart contracts. The use cases for Wanchain includes decentralized exchanges, lending and borrowing platforms, stablecoins, crowdfunding, multi-currency payments, and settlements. The platform is also known for, which is totally decentralized and requires no custodian party to manage or confirm transactions, unlike other cross-chain systems. Wanchain does not rely on third-party platform to authenticate transactions. The locked account mechanism is used to secure and manage accounts on the network, eliminating third-party interferences. Okay, so you can read about the founders of Wanchain and what makes Wanchain unique. Okay, I'll read this right here. The platform has three major cross-chain functionalities. One of these functionalities is the registration module. It also possesses a cross-chain transaction data transmission module and a transaction status query module. The three components are involved from the start to end of its connection. Similar projects to Wanchain include Ripple, XRP, and Icon ICX. Okay, the native token of the platform WAN is used in payments and on-chain governance. The total amount of tokens sold during the initial coin offering ICO was 107 million, worth of about 120,000 Ethereum at the time. The maximum supply is 210 million, or I might be saying that wrong, billion. It could be million. My numbers are bad. While the circulating supply is 169 million, let's go say with million, won as of March 2021. 39% of the total supply of tokens has been already allocated to the founders of the project, 51% to the investors, and 10% to the airdrops and rewards. WAN is used for transactions both within the parent chain and across chains. So, guys, you guys have an opportunity to get into a asset that is partnered with Ripple XRP, and as they said, ICX is probably another good one to get into as well. And you can actually go to their website, wanchain.org, and learn about them a little bit more as you continue to evolve with different partnerships and things like that with the Ripple team, XRP, things like that. So here's another good one. And again, I wanted to go back to there because there's a couple places I want you guys to see. Wanchain tokens can be purchased on exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global, and I know that you can also get them on BitTrue, and BitTrue also has staking rewards with Power Piggy. So anyway, guys, do your own research, do your due diligence. But again, I will become very bullish. I will be adding this back into my portfolio. It's unfortunate sometimes you gotta pay higher prices because you gotta learn a lesson. And I just wanted to share that lesson with you all today. But anyway, guys, have a good rest of your Tuesday. I hope that you guys get some things accomplished. Continue to be patient with your investments. Allow them to fully mature and grow so that you can build your goals, you can build your dreams, and have everything that you've ever wanted. And then allow yourself to take care of those near and dear as well as becoming an outstanding human being and citizen, not just because you have money, but just because you know that it's the right thing to do. Anyway, guys, again, hit the subscribe button if you guys are brand new. And if you guys are listening continuously, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and the rumble button wherever you might listen to me at on whatever platform. And again, I appreciate you all. And we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Anyway, God bless, take care. And as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.